Okay, Tigers, it's now time to learn the 3 stack. The beginner stack, only 3 cups, that's all you need. Now, first things first, we always start with our hands on the table. Then when someone says go, or the timer starts, you start stacking. Here's some tips. Always grab the cups from the side. If you don't grab the cups from the side, you won't be able to stack the cups up. Because if you grab them from the top, watch what happens. They fall. So watch, if I grab them from the side, I'm able to stack them. Now there's a few ways to do the 3 stack. You can lead with your right hand, start with your right, and then stack with your left. Or you can lead with your left hand and go up with your right. It's up to you. Now to practice, you always need to go in a circle motion. Always a circle motion, just like this. All right, so watch me first. I'm gonna use always both hands. Always 2 hands when I'm stacking. If I'm only using 1 hand at a certain point, I'm going slow because the person next to me is using 2 hands and they're going faster. So really go slow at the beginning and concentrate on using both hands. Now watch, here we go. I like to start with this hand. This is my right. It looks like your left, but this is my right hand, and I like to take the first cup up. As soon as I get to the top of it, I slide it over. I don't want to go high. If I go too high, I lose time. So I want to just go right above this cup and slide it over as fast as I can, but with a light touch. I don't want to grab it too hard. Look, it sticks all the cups together. I have to go soft and fast. So the first step is, with my right hand, is set it right next to it. If you don't set it right next to it, watch what happens. It falls over. So your first move needs to be up with 1 hand and set right next to it. The second move is bringing the second cup up, the middle cup in the stack, and bringing it right in the middle so it rests on top. Let's try that again. I'll show you super slow and then super fast. Here we go. Okay, and now here's super fast. Whoa, let's try that again, watch. Woo! Now, to down stack, up stack means go up with the cups. Down stack means go down. So what I like to do when I'm up stacking is I like to practice down stacking too. So here we go. Up, and now what I like to do is switch hands and down and start again with my right hand. This looks like your left, but this is my right. I like to start with the right hand, scoot it over. You don't have to pick it up. You just have to slide it over and it falls down. Watch this. Oh, watch this. So when I start my down stack, I slide it over, and then with my opposite hand, I just stack it on top. That's it. So this is what it looks like, going in a circle kind of. Right hand first, switching, right hand first. Right hand first, switching, right hand first. And I start to go in a circle, but notice I'm using 2 hands. This is called the 3 stack. So after a while, you'll start getting a little faster. You can practice by putting your hands on the table, going up, stack, then stopping, checking it out, going down stack. Let's try it. Get your cups ready. We're gonna start with we'll start with our left hand here, up, and then with our right on top. Then I switch hands and I go down, so it's a continued circle. A circle, making a circle. Here we go. Up, switch. Here we go. Ready? Up, switch. So it's just a circle, and remember, you're using both hands. So get both hands ready in the front. Up, down. Good. Try it again. Up, down. And I want you to practice when you go up with the cups. Remember, you don't have to pick it up and slam it. All you have to do is slide it over. That's the cool part of cups. You just slide it over. And as soon as you slide it over, it's going to fall and bring that cup on top. All right? Now, the 3-3-3 is what we're learning today. This was the 3 stack, but now you're going to bring another set of cups and another set of cups. Now, here's the rules for the 3-3-3. Again, the 3-3-3. All right, here we go. You have to pick a side. If you're right-handed, you might want to start across your body. Remember we talked about in basketball that sagittal plane, the middle line in your body? You want to start on this side, okay? And start with your right hand first and up. Then go to the middle one. Right hand first and then your left. Then go to the last one. Right hand up, then left. But now you have to go back to the beginning to down stack. Slide on top. Two hands. Slide on top. Slide on top. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to up stack, up stack, up stack, and then start down stacking where you left off. That's against the rules. You always have to go back to the beginning. So if I start on this side, up, 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 where do I have to go? Back to the beginning and down stack. Now another rule is when I up stack right here, I cannot put 2 hands on separate stacks and start trying to down stack with one hand. Can't do that. You can only handle 1 stack at a time to down stack. So after I went this way, I need to go back to the beginning and both hands need to be on this stack. Down, both hands need to be on this stack, and both hands need to be on this stack to down stack. It's the same rules for up stacking. You cannot have your hands on the table and say go and start stacking different stacks at different times. You always need to be manipulating 1 stack at a time. So up, 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 back to the beginning, down, down, down. Here we go. Let's try that again. Again, this is the 3 stack. Now remember, you can start on either side. You can't start in the middle. You have to start on your right side or your left side, all right? So I'm going to start with my hands, and I'm going to pick that side. That's my favorite side. And I'm going to go up, 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 back to the beginning, down, down, down. And then you slam your hands on the table because in a competition, there's this special mat stack with a timer. And you put your hands on the timer, and when you release your hands, the timer starts. So you go up, 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 back to the beginning, down, 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 and then at the end, you put your hands on the timer, and the stopwatch stops, the timer stops. So, I want you to practice with me. Are you ready? Hands on the table. Ready? This is the 3-3-3. Ooh, it's gonna get fast. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Up, up, up. Too slow. Back to the beginning. Down, down, down. Put your hands down. That's how you finish. All right. I think you're getting better. Now, students at home, remember, you need cups that slide on and off nicely. If your parents have some of those red cups at home, you know, the red solo cups that you use for parties, maybe you can cut a hole in the top of them, make it a little easier, but ask before you do that at home. But these cups, and just so you know, I don't want you to get frustrated. If you don't have these cups at home, they might not slide as fast. These are special cups that slide on and off very easily. You see the holes at the top? And they kind of stop before they touch. If you can see, there's a space in the top of them right there. They kind of stop before they touch at the top. And they're special. They're called speed stacks. So if your mom and dad want to buy some online, again, they're called speed stacks. And they're about, I think, $18 to $20 for a set, maybe cheaper right now. But they're about $18 to $20 online. Now, again, 3, 3, 3. You have to start on one side, hands on the table first, up, 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 then back to the beginning, down. Remember, only one stack at a time, down. And that is the 3, 3, 3.